Coral bean, plant care and growing guide. The coral bean shrub, Erythrina herbacea, is not difficult to grow, grows at a moderate rate, and requires little consideration once settled. It is alluring and garnished with nearly all year interest. Step-by-step instructions to grow coral bean from seed. Coral bean seeds can be bought from a nursery or nursery focus or gathered straightforwardly from the plant. You can gather the seeds in the pre-fall or early fall. Make certain to constantly wear defensive gloves while taking care of coral bean seeds, as the seeds are harmful, essentially whenever ingested. To expand the germination rate, coral bean seeds benefit from scarification. Plant seeds in the ground after the danger of ice and when the temperatures are reliably warm. Assuming you are planting a few shrubs together, guarantee the seeds are dispersed between 3 to 5 feet separated while planting. Coral bean care. The coral bean is local to Mexico and portions of the United States. It is a low-support blooming enduring shrub that promptly grows in warm season environments all over the planet. When laid out, the coral bean requires little support. Subsequently, it makes an extraordinary expansion to a nursery bed or shrub line. The coral bean shrub is additionally salt-lenient, pursuing it a superb decision for nursery workers living on seaside landscapes. For the winter, place the coral bean plants in a nursery and plant them in pre-summer or early summer. On the off chance that forgot about it, the plant will kick the bucket in solidness zones cooler than 8, like in the northeast. Light. The coral bean shrub sprouts most plentifully when grown in a full sun area. Nonetheless, it can tolerate dappled sun, as it normally happens along the edge of forests and woodlands. Soil. The coral bean is versatile to an extensive variety of soil types, yet values sandy, acidic soil. Guarantee that the preparing medium is well depleting, as the coral bean's foundations can't tolerate sitting in water. Water. For the principal growing season, water the coral bean once every week to assist with empowering growth. This shrub doesn't tolerate wet feet and ought to never be left waterlogged. When laid out, the coral bean is viewed as a dry season open-minded shrub and may just require supplemental watering during unusually lengthy dry periods. Temperature and humidity. To make do as a perpetual, the coral bean requires warm temperatures and flourishes in USDA zones 8 through 11. In areas that experience cold winters with frosty temperatures, the coral bean can be grown yearly. Fertilizer. When laid out, the coral bean shrub doesn't need normal preparation.